What if I told you there are 15 features already sitting inside your iPhone right now, completely free, that most travelers never touch? Not apps you have to download, not subscriptions, built in. I'm talking about features that can translate a foreign menu in real time, track your bags anywhere in the world, and, this one stops people cold, send an emergency SOS signal from the middle of a mountain with zero cell service. Welcome back to Travel-Hackster. By the end of this video, your iPhone is going to feel like a completely different device. We're starting with the basics and building to the features that will genuinely change the way you travel. Let's go. Hack number 1, and it costs you $0. Before every single trip, download your destination's map for offline use directly inside Apple Maps. Go to your profile, Offline Maps, download New Map. Select your city, done. Now when you land in a foreign country and your roaming is off, you still have full turn-by-turn navigation. No Wi-Fi, no data needed. Google Maps does this too. There is absolutely no excuse to be lost in an unfamiliar city paying $15 a day for international data. Hack number 2. Stop checking the departures board every 5 minutes. If you book through Apple Wallet or download your airline's official app, iOS Live Activities pushes your flight status directly onto your lock screen, updating in real time. Gate changes, delays, minutes to landing, all there without opening a single app. This one is a game changer in chaotic hubs like JFK or LAX, where gate changes happen constantly, and you need to react fast. Hack number 3 is the one that makes people feel like they're living in a sci-fi movie. Open your iPhone camera. Point it at any sign, menu, or label in a foreign language. Tap the yellow translate icon in the bottom right corner. Your phone replaces the foreign text with English, right on the screen, in real time. This works in restaurants, train stations, hotel lobbies, and pharmacies. No typing, no guessing, no awkward pointing. Over 20 languages supported, completely offline once downloaded. Hack number 4 is embarrassingly simple, and almost nobody knows about it. Swipe down anywhere on your home screen to open Spotlight Search. Type 100 euros to US dollars. Your iPhone gives you a live conversion instantly. No app, no browser, no ads. You can do this with any 2 currencies. Before you hand over cash at a market in Mexico City or a cafe in Paris, double-check the math in 2 seconds. You'll never get shortchanged again. Hack number 5. A $29 Apple AirTag tucked inside your checked bag has saved thousands of travelers from airline nightmares. Every iPhone in the world is part of Apple's Find My network. That means even if your bag ends up in the wrong city, you can see exactly where it is on a map in real time. Even better, when you leave the airport and your bag doesn't follow you, your iPhone sends an immediate alert. You know before you even reach baggage claim. This is the single best $29 you will ever spend on travel gear. Hack number 6. Your wallet app is not just for Apple Pay. Add your boarding pass, hotel digital key, car rental QR code, and even your vaccine record or ID, all in one place, all accessible offline. At TSA, you just double-tap your side button and hold up your phone. No fumbling with paper, no digging through bags. Most major airlines support this, and an increasing number of hotels let you check in and unlock your room door directly from your wallet app. Hack number 7. Stop paying for airport Wi-Fi. If you're on an unlimited data plan, your iPhone Personal Hotspot is your best friend. Turn it on under Settings arrow Personal Hotspot, connect your laptop or tablet, and you've got fast, private, secure internet for free. More importantly, it's far safer than public airport Wi-Fi, which is a well-known hunting ground for hackers looking to steal passwords and banking data. Your hotspot is encrypted. The airport's free network is not. Hack number 8. And this one matters most on long-haul flights. Set up a custom focus mode called Travel. Mute all non-essential notifications. Turn off background app refresh, reduce screen brightness, and enable low power mode. This single setup can add 3 to 4 hours of battery life on a long travel day. Combined with a small pocket power bank, you'll land with a full phone every single time. No panicked hunting for airport charging outlets. Hack number 9. Before any trip, Use Apple's Find My app to share your real-time location with a trusted person back home. One tap. They can see exactly where you are, anywhere in the world, 24/7, without you having to send a single text. And now, hack number 10. This is the one I promised you at the start. If you have an iPhone 14 or newer, you have emergency SOS via satellite built in. That means if you're in a remote area with zero cell service, hiking, driving through dead zones, international travel with no roaming, you can still contact emergency services. Hold your power button and volume button. Follow the on-screen arrows to aim your phone at the sky. Your SOS message and location get transmitted via satellite to emergency responders. This feature has already saved lives, and 99% of iPhone users don't know they have it. 3 rapid-fire hacks before we wrap up. Hack 11. Set up your medical ID. Go to Health Arrow. Medical ID Arrow Enable Show when locked. If something happens to you abroad, any first responder can see your blood type, allergies, and emergency contacts without unlocking your phone. Hack 12. Screenshot your hotel address, confirmation number, and rental car details, and save them to a dedicated album. When you're underground in a subway with no data, you still have all the info you need. Hack 13. Scan your passport into a secure Notes app and lock the note with Face ID. It's not a legal substitute, but it speeds up reissuing a lost passport at an embassy immensely. Hack 14. Use your Health app to track steps and activity during long layovers. Walk a set number of steps every hour on long-haul journeys to reduce the risk of blood clots. Doctors actually recommend this. And Hack 15. Turn on Do Not Disturb scheduled mode for your exact flight window. Block all calls, texts, and alerts automatically. No manual toggling at the gate. That's 15 iPhone features you had this whole time and never used. This is Travel-Hackster. If this video saved you even one headache on your next trip, hit that subscribe button, because next week we're going to show you how to pack an entire 7-day trip into one carry-on bag. No checked bags, no baggage fees, just smart packing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.